Going to check on my newbie hive. They look active. I'll see if they released the queen or not. They love this food. They eat a big chunk of it. They look active. We'll see what's inside. They made a huge honeycomb. That means the queen is out. Yes, Sarah. Come and see it. All right. They're angry. They're very angry. Sorry for disturbing your bees. The queen cage is there. They're angry. Now we're gonna see if the queen has been released. See? Oh, the queen is out. It's empty. So the queen is somewhere here, Sarah. Come here, Sarah, see it. The queen's cage. The queen's cage. See it. See it. Now, where's the queen? I see the queen here. Yeah, the blue head. There's a dot on it. You see it? This one. This one. This one. I see the queen. It's active and laying eggs. Now, we remove the cage, Sarah. We put more frames. They're super active. I saw the queen, and they're working on it. I got this. In 4 days, they made all this. Made all this in 2 days. Well, thank you for your hardworking bees. Sarah, you're scared?